Hello guys, today I am starting a new project. It's a VW Polo 86C and I will be doing a bodywork on it. And this time I will try to document it better than the work that I did on a VW Golf GTI that you can see on my channel. So stay tuned and hope you liked it. Today I will be doing a filler cap repair due to the big rust damage that you can see. I cannot get the replacement for the Polo, so I bought a VW Golf repair panel and I trim it to fit the size that I want to cut, and I will adjust it to fit the Polo. So, after I cut the rusted panel out, as you can see, there's a much more rust damage on the inside, and also this section was made with seam sealer. And it was quite a lot of it. So now I have to cut all the rust that is still here and make new panel. And after I made new panel and weld it in, I can start to measure up the cover plate that is cut with these marks on the body. I started to make some cardboard template to see what my patch should look like. Now I will draw on the line where the rust is ending, and I will mark it on the cardboard, and I will do the final cut on the cardboard to see how much sheet metal I should cut out to have a perfect match to make a repair. So I placed my cardboard template on the metal sheet. Now I just need to cut it out and form it to the shape that I want and weld it into place. But first I need to cut out all the rust that's left. As always, my camera started doing tricks on me, so I couldn't record anymore. And now you can see just the pictures how the work was done and the final result that was given to the customer. And one of the last videos I recorded with my camera was the sandblasting of this Polo, which was made by my brother.